Epoxy natural stone flooring is one of the most luxurious and durable flooring options you can have in your home or commercial space. It combines the timeless beauty of natural stone with the strength and seamless finish of epoxy resin. But installing it isn't something you can just eyeball. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install epoxy natural stone flooring, highlight common mistakes to avoid, and show you how Flooring Dubai can make sure your floor is installed perfectly the first time. Why epoxy natural stone flooring is so popular. This flooring looks stunning because it blends the organic beauty of natural stone, the smooth, glossy finish of epoxy, incredible durability and scratch resistance. It's perfect for luxury villas, showrooms, and high-end commercial spaces. But even the best stone can look dull or fail if the epoxy isn't applied correctly. Step 1. Prepare the subfloor. Preparation is everything. A poorly prepared subfloor is the #1 reason epoxy floors fail. Ensure the concrete subfloor is clean, dry, and level. Repair any cracks, holes, or uneven spots. Remove dust, grease, and debris. Epoxy won't stick to dirt. A perfect subfloor is the foundation of a flawless epoxy floor. Step 2. Choose and arrange your natural stones. Natural stones come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. Lay them out dry first, to see the pattern and flow. Adjust to your liking before applying epoxy. Decide on any special designs or borders. This step ensures the final result is visually stunning and balanced. Step 3. Mix and apply the epoxy resin. Epoxy comes in two parts, the resin and the hardener. Mix carefully according to the manufacturer's instructions. Pour the epoxy over the prepared subfloor. Use a notched trowel to spread it evenly. At this stage, timing is crucial. The resin starts curing quickly, so work in sections. Step 4. Set the stones in epoxy. Once the epoxy is spread, press each natural stone gently into the epoxy. Maintain even spacing between stones. Tap lightly to remove air bubbles and ensure adhesion. Check frequently to keep the stones level. Uneven stones can create tripping hazards and a rough finish. Step 5. Fill gaps and smooth surfaces. After placing all stones, fill any remaining gaps with clear or colored epoxy grout. Smooth the surface with a trowel or squeegee. Remove excess epoxy before it hardens. This step ensures the floor is seamless, glossy, and professional looking. Step 6. Curing and finishing. Epoxy needs time to cure completely. Keep the floor free from traffic for at least 24 to 48 hours. Avoid moisture and dust during this time. After curing, apply a protective topcoat if desired for extra shine. The curing process gives the floor its strength, durability, and long-lasting beauty. Step 7. Maintenance tips. Epoxy natural stone flooring is low maintenance, but proper care prolongs its life. Sweep or vacuum regularly. Wipe spills immediately. Avoid abrasive cleaners that can dull the epoxy. Periodically apply a protective sealant for high-traffic areas. Following these tips keeps your floor looking new for years. How Flooring Dubai can help. At Flooring Dubai, we don't just supply premium natural stones and epoxy, we also provide professional installation. Our team ensures the subfloor is perfectly prepared. Stones are arranged for optimal aesthetics. Epoxy is mixed, poured, and finished flawlessly. Your floor is durable, seamless, and luxurious. With Flooring Dubai, your epoxy natural stone floor will look stunning and last for decades. Installing epoxy natural stone flooring is not a DIY project for beginners. It requires precision, timing, and professional techniques to achieve a flawless, long-lasting result. Follow these steps, and if you want the floor done perfectly, trust Flooring Dubai to make your space look luxurious, elegant, and maintenance-free for years to come.